Gold and silver started the week on a bullish note but failed to stay above 2400, and later in the day I have mentioned 2396. It is respected 2396 and reverse, while silver is also failed to stay above 2820. While on the downside I can still see both getting support at crucial zone 2370 levels and 2760 levels. Now what to expect from gold and silver today? How to profit, where to enter, where to exit, everything we're gonna see with the help of charts and indicators. This is the first update for the day. The next update will be released before the US session. Just subscribe and press the bell icon. Do like, share, and comment. Join the free Telegram channel for live updates and join the channel memberships here on YouTube to support the effort. Let's start. First, we look into gold, followed by silver. Watch. On the hourly charts, you can see gold has seen this bullishness and then we have seen a sharp slump. Now it is retracing. Now it is trading in this bearish channel where the highs are at around 2390 level and the bullish confirmation is only about 2396. Now what is happening here? See, the moving averages have crossed over here and you can see there is a very strong wall created here at 2385. So now if you see it is staying above 2386, you can initiate a buying entry for 2390, 2394, 96 and then 2400. If these four levels are taken, you can say gold is reversed. What is happening after the drop? It is trading in this retracement channel. Where are the highs? Towards 2390. Possibility is there that it can move towards this zone, and in case if it breaks beyond 2394, 96, consider this for a reversal. Stochastic rising, MACD is bearish, trying to converge. It is not yet crossed over and it is delivering good waves here. See, this is retracement waves and a crossover here can lead to reversal. RSI is showing a rise. Coming to 2, likewise on the 2-hour chart, see how strong is the resistance from the 20 period moving average. You can see this trying to breach this again and again and failing to do so, reversing here. Now if you look at the preceding candle, it comes with a doji. It is comes with a bigger tail as well. Now if it stays about 2384, 85, or rather I will say 85, 86, see, another observation here is the crossover, the 20 and 50 period moving average here. This is important. This is also going to be one of the resistance zones. So in sum, it is going to get stronger resistances till 2390 today and then the maximum one at 2394, 96. Beyond that, we should treat this for a reversal. Now look at another observation. Look at this. The lows here are beautifully connected and the highs here are also connected here. So if it continues with the retracement here, trades about 2396, we can expect 2404, and then beyond this I will be looking forward to 2412, 2420 zone. So far I can still see that despite it a bearish channel, it can continue to retrace on the upside. If you look at the stochastic, this is rising. The here has crossed over for a selling entry, and I'm just worried about if it delivers this wave again, which means more bearishness here. But the expectations are for a rise from the current levels. Possibilities there. The RSI is rising, coming to 3-hour. Likewise on the 3-hour chart, similar is the observation here. Higher lows, higher highs. It's still under the retracement zone. Beyond 2385 and 2390, we can see more bullish momentum here, where it can continue to retrace on the upside. And see, I have discussed this and shared earlier as well. As long as 2420 levels are not taken, we should be cautious here on the upside. Stochastic rising, MACD is delivering waves. It is converged but failed to cross over. A couple of bullish candles and it will start to diverge, which means it will look upwards, which means more rise here. The RSI is rising as well. Coming to 4-hour chart, similar is the observation on the 4-hour charts. Lower highs, lower lows. Let it break beyond 23, 85, 86 and then we can see little rise. Moving averages here are trading with divergence. This is a bearish sign. And if you look at the stochastic, this is rising. The MACD is also rising. The RSI is rising. Good sign for the little bullish momentum here. Coming to and before we look into daily charts, if you want to learn this art of trading, join our mentorship batch. And if you just want to trade as per the signals, be a part of my signals channel on Telegram. Write an email or connect with me over Telegram for your queries related to the services. Join the free Telegram channel as well. And yes, those who had asked me to recommend a broker which offers a swap-free account with lowest spreads and no hidden charges, you can find the recommended broker link also in the channel and video description. Now look at the daily charts. What has happened yesterday? See, first of all, a gap up was seen and it has bridged the gap. It has moved towards 50 period moving average. Now also on the upside, if you look at, there is a greater resistance observed at 2400, 2405 zone, which is going to play a critical role today again. And thus a buying entry at 2386 has to be traded with caution First, it has to break the critical resistances on the upside 86, first 90, 92, second 96, third, and then 2400, 2400 for very, very strong resistances till then. Beyond that, I will look forward to 2410, 2412, and then 2420 levels. So till then, you have to be trading with caution here. It is formed a tail. It is trying to reverse. Higher lows means higher highs can be seen here, and possibility for it to move towards 2410 exists, but you have to be trading with caution till 2404. Stochastic rising, the MACD. Look at the MACD. This is trading bearish here, looking downwards. And this crossover is coming from only modest levels, and it could reverse again. There is not much of availability on the down upside as well. Yes, if it crosses over, we can see it trading bullish for next few sessions. RSI has dropped, coming to now. See, till now we have just talked about the upside of it. Why? What about downside? Now, on the downside, I will recommend you to sell at 2376, where we can expect it to move towards 2370.72. Now, 2370, 2372 is a very strong support zone. Below that, we may see it hitting 2362.5 and then 2350 levels. Till 2372, we have to be trading with caution. It can bounce back again. We should not be treating this as bearish as long as 2370.72 is not taken on the downside. And yes, breaking below 2350 is where the bears are waiting. Why 2350 is critical? Look at this. Look at this zone, look at this zone, and thus even if it falls here, it can try to recover. So 2350 is going to be one milestone which will decide the future of gold, because below that, the targets are far below towards 2320 and 2300 levels. So take your positions accordingly. Buy at 2386, sell at 2376. Now let's have a look at now silver on the hourly chart. See, it has plummeted yesterday. In fact, has moved towards 2730, delivered lower lows here. But if you connect the dots, lower lows, higher highs here. Where is the median? The median right now is at 2780 itself. So this zone at 2770, 2780 is crucial for silver here. Also look at 2760, multiple candles. We have seen prices moving below this but failing to close below 2760, which is also going to play an important role. So now the possibility of a buying option exists if it breaks beyond 27, 19, $28 levels, and then most important is 28.20. So these three levels you should watch out for. And yes, a possible buying entry when you see the lower prices above 27.90 can be taken, but then it has to be with extreme caution. $28 first, 28.10 second, and 28.20 third. Till 28.20 you have to be watchful. Beyond 28.20 is where the bulls will take over, and then I can look forward to 28.40, 50 and higher levels. If you look at the movement, see, it is completely sideways as of now. The stochastic rising, MACD is willing to converge crossover, RSI is staying flat. Coming to 2 hour, now look at 2 hour charts here, rise retracement, and right now I can see it trading within, delivering higher highs and lower lows, the median precisely at 2770-80 zone. So at this zone, we have to be little watchful, we have to be little cautious here. If you look at the move here, the 20 period moving average is sitting at around the 50 period exponential, and the 20 period simple moving average sitting at around 28.20. We have to be careful there. The stochastic at top, MACD is also still on the upside, still on the greener side, though it has converged but failing to cross over, looking upwards. RSI is staying flat. Coming to 3 hour, similar is the observation here on the 3 hour charts. Thus, once it stays above 27.90, when you see the lower price above 27.90, possibility of a buying will increase here. And if you see the moving averages here are also trading with divergence and bearishness. The stochastic is rising, the MACD is also rising after forming double bottom. The RSI is also rising here. On the 4 hour, the observation is more or less same here. See the drop, retracement, drop, and it could retrace here. The resistances here on the upside are going to be strong as long as 28.20 is not taken. And this time, if it breaks 28.20, the rise is going to be strong towards 28.40, 50, or in fact 28.80 levels. But what you can look at, the drop, the retracement, the drop, the retracement, and a drop below 2760 and 2740 zone is a sign of bearishness as well. The stochastic rising, MACD rising, RSI comfortable. Coming to daily chart. On the daily chart, similar observation here. See, there was bearishness after a couple of retracement. There was bearishness, but look at the body size, very, very small body size here. And this suggests that the price is failing to stay bearish. We have seen a push from the downside. Now, also the day started on a flat note and with more bearishness. So From here, the reversal can be expected, but we have to be watchful. Again, 2820 and 2840-50 are going to be critical zone. Stochastic rising, the MACD is trading bearish and RSI at bottom. So looking at this, very simple, I will recommend you to buy when you see it staying above 27.9, where you can expect it to move towards 28, 28.10, 28.20, and any move beyond 28.20 is a sign of further bullishness towards 28.40-50 or 28.80 as well. Though the moving average is crossing over here is a sign of bearishness, but the possibility for a little retracement on the upside cannot be denied for next couple of sessions. And on the downside, a selling entry now is at 27.60 levels. When you see the higher price below 27.60, you can take a selling entry, expect it to move towards 27.40, 27.20 and $27 levels. Below $27 levels, we can say extreme bearishness may prevail here in silver towards 26.50, $26 levels, chances for which appears to be less, as or we can see metals wait for FOMC minutes, which will give or which will provide a direction to the metals for the near future. So take your positions accordingly. Like, share, subscribe, and comment. Join my mentorship batch, join my signals channel. Reach out to me for your queries related to the services. Join the free Telegram channel for live updates and join the channel memberships here on YouTube to support the effort. Thank you. Have a great profitable trading day. Thank